Well, this day didn't go as planned. At least I didn't get a flat tire. The road was pretty much, it felt like sand all the way up here. And then I got rained on again. And I thought you could drive to the tower, but you can't. To the watchtower. So I will walk there. But I will turn off the camera so it won't get damaged by the water, even though it's water resistant with the media mod. It feels unnecessary. Even though it rains, I started the camera again because this is where I'm going, and there's thunder, so I should head home, but I'm stupid enough to stay. I'm stupid enough to walk to this fucking tower with all my gear. And the rain would probably damage the GoPro. Oh, this day hasn't gone as I have planned. Oh well. I actually got a microphone for my helmet, but it wasn't working with the media mod, so I need to look into that. This walk is what I need right now, I think. Got the gear for it, at least. I just have to document this. I thought the tower was close. I thought you could drive to it. Oh well. A small hike doesn't kill anyone. Well, I was planning on going up, but these are the stairs. It's just some iron rods, which are not so good, with wet motorcycle boots that are flat. And if I just think about how this day has gone, and with the thunder coming closer, I think this is a super bad idea for me right now. Oh well, at least I got to see the quarry, or the mine, whichever it is, and this cool place. So I will head back to the motorcycle, and then I will use the rest of the battery for the ride home.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew he fucked up.
I can't. Oh, for fuck's sake! Oh! Oh. Oh. It's just getting better and better. The thunder are closing in. I was going to say that after I put on my motorcycle. Thunder are getting closer and I am cold and wet. I want to go home. Oh. Oh. Oh well, that's all for today. I'll see you on the next episode. See you later. Ugh.
No, 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 no.